Hey guys, hi everyone. Welcome to WakeHeart Learning YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting science experiment for you guys. As you know, you guys are home for the next few weeks and there's a reason why. There's a pandemic. It's a sickness, it's an illness, it's a virus, it's a really bad flu all around the world. So the people who are making sure that we are safe, they want us to stay home. They don't want us to have a lot of interaction with different people. They want social distancing. They want people to wash their hands every so often to make sure that the germs on our hands aren't spreading to our bodies or spreading to other people. Because sometimes sickness doesn't show at first, like this sickness that's going around. So we have to wash our hands and we need to protect the people that we love. Our moms, our dads, our grandmas, our grandpas, our aunts, our uncles, our friends, anybody else that I'm not labeling, and including yourself. Everybody, make sure that you're taking care of yourselves. So here is our experiment. So I'm going to tip your view so you guys can look at the table, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is one that you can try at home as well. So here we go. Woo! I'm going to zoom you guys out. Hello. Here we go. As you see, I've already had experiments on the table. So this is what you're going to need. You need a plate. You're going to need some H2O. You're going to need some water. You're going to need something very interesting, and I think you might have it at your house. So make sure you ask mom and dad, mom or dad, or both, if you can use it. We have pepper. So we're going to put some pepper. Let's see. Seasoning your water. Now we're going to have some imagination here, okay? The pepper is going to be like the virus, the bacteria, the sickness, the germs, everything. Okay, that's good. Woo! Could make you a little bit sneezy too. And now we're going to take our hand. Make sure that you haven't touched really anything like the water or the pepper or anything. So a nice clean hand like mine. Hello. And we're going to take our finger and we're going to put it in the water. Now, this is going to represent the not washed hand. Okay? Take your finger, put it in, and let's see what happens with the germs. Uh-oh, we're washing our hands. And the germs, look, the germs are still on my hand. You see that? They're still on my hand. Look, oh no. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to put a little more pepper on, and we're going to try part B. Here we go. So that means, look, it shows that we haven't washed our hands enough, so we're even carrying more sickness. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a cup of soap. We're going to take our finger, and I'm going to actually move this. We're going to dip it in. Well, I just dunked my hand in it. And this is a one-time ordeal, so make sure you guys are really looking, okay? Because once it happens one time, it's over. So I'm going to actually zoom you guys in probably. Let's put you guys more into the frame. All right, here we go. Watch what happens. I want to see if you guys can see it. So I put soap in my hands, and now I'm coming in contact with the water to wash my hands. What's gonna happen? The germs. Did you see what happened with the germs? Sometimes the germs very minute ones will stay on our hands. But look, do you see all these germs here? They're trying to get away. They're trying to get away from my finger. So we always need to make sure that we're washing our hands because we're gonna get rid of most of our germs, okay? When we do wash. Got it? So we have one more part of our experiment. We're going to see what happens when we use hand sanitizer. Because we know hand sanitizer is really, really good. Let's see if I can move this over. Actually, let me just remove this. Don't drop the plate, 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 don't, ooh, drop the plate. Ooh, still dropping. Ooh, still dropping. Okay. Stay. Now, I'm going to have a little bit of a smaller plate here. Ooh, and this has what we need, our hand sanitizer. Here we go. And I'm gonna use a different hand and a different finger. So let's put our water on and let's see what happens. Okay, let's get our pepper. Season the water with the fake germs. Remember, pepper is not germs. Pepper brings flavor to our foods. But in here, we're just pretending they are. Okay, let's check. Let's see, ready? Let's see if they're gonna spread. Oh, they don't spread. All right, let's try dipping our finger. I'm gonna dip this finger, my ring finger right here. And let's see what happens. So it may or may not move, but we do know that germ gel is really good. Let's see, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it does. Did you see that? Did you see it move? It's going away. It's trying to stay away from it. So look, we know for certain that soap, the one that I used here, and hand sanitizer that I used on here is very important to use while we're sick, but every single day. So keep those germs away. Practice washing your hands. Remember, 30 seconds or more. Maybe you might want to sing happy birthday to yourself over and over and over again. Or you can sing half of one of your favorite songs. Up to you. But until next time, I will think of more fun science videos or different activities that you guys can do at home. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel on Dropbox. And also look at the different activities that they're doing there with Green Cape and all the other characters. All right. Sending so much love to you guys. Hope you guys are well. Bye.